So normally for any kind of a business, we look at these 4 TGs. TGs mean target groups, which you can target. So one, we always look at it end customers, which can be a B2C for you, but there can also be B2B or big buyers who will buy in bulk. Example is I can sell say small appliances as one-to-one customer, but I can do a big buyer, which is basically some real estate companies buying in bulk to provide it to all of their people who are buying the flat from them because they want to give them ready-made flats. Or there can be corporate gifting who will like to buy these appliances to gift it to all their corporate accounts, etc. So those are all big buyers. And then you can have influencers who influence the purchase. Say for example, if you're into TMT or cement, etc. So there are engineers, architects who will influence it. If you're into plywood, etc., then maybe interior decorators, carpenters, they will influence. If you're into say a battery or for cars and etc., then the mechanics influences. So people who influences your purchase. So that can be done. So this is also a good time during COVID that you can start engaging with the influencers. So like say for example, if you are working in a your mechanics are your influencers, right? So then what you can do is you can launch a small course for mechanics through which you can actually engage them, you can add value to them, or maybe they have a lot of queries, so you can engage with them into a kind of an activities. And if you're working with say celebrities, and celebrities are available on at home, you can do a video conferencing with all of your loyal customers with that celebrity. Okay, so just imagine that you're talking to Amitabh Bachchan on a Zoom call, and your loyal customers are engaging with Amitabh Bachchan on a Zoom call. So those are all things that you can do at a reseller influencer level, so that you're keeping them warm, you're doing a lot of activities for them. So maybe your end customers, the B2C customers, are very difficult to target right now, but your other customers are easy to target. Okay, similarly your internal customer on hiring, so you can hire the right people. So you can also look at what type of people you are not having in your team, so you can actually go out, do LinkedIn, etc., to hire those internal people as well. So different target groups that you can have. Let me give you some examples of different target group. Like this is for KFC. What KFC has is there is a website for KFC where if you have a website, I mean if you have a site which you want to give it to KFC to run their show, so you can go and list that saying that I have this free space, and I can give that to for KFC to run KFC. So you can go here and you can list your property down. And if you are a reseller and you want to become a franchisee, so you can go to kfcfranchisee.com and become a franchisee for them. Okay, so then you have the main website where the customers and end customers, big buyers, they can come and buy. Then they have a career website, okay, where if you want to work with KFC, you can actually go and fill up there. Now imagine how that helps them. So if they can see that on this KFC website, a lot of people are coming from one particular IP address or one particular location, then they can actually look at which is the site available there where we can start our KFC shop. Who is the reseller or franchisee who's interested in that location to start a KFC there? How many people have applied from that particular location to start? So within few days, they can start their operation because they have all the TGs being attracted towards them. Otherwise, they will always struggle that, okay, I have the franchisee, but I don't have the site. I have the site, but I don't have the franchisees. I have both, but I don't have the people. So everything can be done in parallel. So is your digital assets ready, or is your marketing strategy ready for different kind of TG? And maybe during COVID times, that is what you can do. You can focus on different TGs, may not be only your B2C TG. You can look at influencer TG, you can look at big buyers TG, you can even look at internal customer or reseller TG. Maybe you are making a lot of online resellers. Previously you had offline resellers, but maybe you want to sell it on Amazon, you want to sell it on Flipkart. You might prepare yourself for those kind of activities as well.